Hi guys, I wanted to share a video about my 2021 Toyota Sienna second row seat making these vibrating sounds when I'm on the road. I'm on a very smooth road right now, but you'll still be able to hear it, meaning that it's a pretty serious issue if it's making the sounds on a smooth road. I had somebody commenting on my video before asking me about this issue, if I had any, and I said no because at the time I didn't notice it. I changed out my car seat to a new one and it's still making the sound, so I definitely made sure that it wasn't a problem on my end. But I have another car seat on the other side and it wasn't making any sounds on that side, so it's definitely this one right here. I just wanted to post a video in case anyone else was having this issue and had this problem and wanted to talk about it, or was just curious if they were the only ones. I'm planning on taking it in next week to Toyota to have it looked at, and hopefully they'll get the issue solved. But hope this video helps, guys. If it does, then give me a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And let me know if you have any thoughts or questions in my comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.